Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to stop automatic correction in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to stop automatic correction in this document. We go to the File menu, then click the Option section and go to the Proofing. Then we can see here the when correction spelling and grammar in Word, we check mark of the show readability sticks and check mark grammar spelling and frequency confused word, then click OK. Then click the right button and we can see here not show the automatic correction. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.